Is it safe to go to Sri Lanka right now? Do you get discounts on Indian passport? What will be the total budget of visiting Sri Lanka? Here are all the questions that I will tell you about today. So let's get started. बहुत सारे इंडियंस है श्रीलंका में. लाइक ऑल द होटल्स आई वेंट टू आई फाउंड अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियंस. कोई राइट्स वाइट्स नहीं है, सो आई थिंक इट्स pretty safe to travel. In fact, I traveled solo. The south is also quite safe and comfortable, and I did not face any other issue. Yes, in the north, I was catcalled once in Kandy. Is it really visa free for Indians right now? And yes, Sri Lanka is visa free for all of us right now. Whatever is the latest status, I will put it in the description of the video. Can you go by ferry to Sri Lanka? Like, is there a ship or boat that can take you? Until some time back, there was no ship, no boat, everything was closed. But in October, they started a ship service again. But honestly, that takes a lot of time and it's almost as expensive as the flight. So might as well just take a flight and go straight to Colombo. Do you get discounts on Indian passport? And yes, you do. In these places, Lion's Rock, Sigiriya, Tooth Temple in Kandy, and Pinawala Elephant Orphanage, and there are few other places, so make sure you carry it for buying the tickets. Why is Sri Lanka itinerary so confusing? बहुत सारे different itineraries मिलेंगे आपको इंटरनेट पे. It's because there is a different itinerary for every season. Like I'll tell you, from October to April, that is a southwest season. Like all the beaches and places in the southwest people visit, and from May to September is the northeast season, and both the itineraries are slightly different, and I will put the itineraries that I recommend. मैं personally November में गई थी, November December के time पे. How to get SIM card in Sri Lanka? Now this was a major trouble for me because the SIM cards in Sri Lanka, you have to get them from the official center. Now unka jo network hai, like we have Airtel and all, they have Dialog, and Dialog is pretty good, but you get the SIM card only from the airport or their official center in the city. If you get it from like different shops, so it will not work, just like it happened with me. Next thing is transport. Now intercity transport kaise karna hai? Number one, there is cabs. Okay, like you can use app like Uber, PickMe. These two are the main apps for going intercity. Next is train. Now train ride, if you're going from Colombo to Ella, this particular route, like Colombo, Kandy, Ella, this is the most common train route, so don't take any bus and all for that. The train route is very beautiful. If you want details on how to book the ticket and where to book the ticket and everything, this is all in this video, so go and check that out. It's the most cheap way to go around. Quite shabby buses, like the buses are very cheap, but they are very shabby and uncomfortable, so it's up to you. And within city के अंदर अगर travel करना है तो again you can take Uber, PickMe, or you can take scooter rental, and that's like 500 rupees a day, or you can take tuk-tuks. Like tuk-tuks are the cheapest and the most available. Like everywhere there are tuk-tuks at most times, like almost 24/7. Can you buy things with Indian rupees? And बहुत सारे posts देखे मैंने Instagram पे, some people claiming that you can use Indian rupees in Sri Lanka. Not true. Nowhere they accept Indian rupees, so you have to get dollars. So exchange your rupees to dollars in India and get dollars to Sri Lanka. Then you can convert it to Sri Lankan currency and then use it straight up. So why do Indians get bored in Sri Lanka? Now some people message me कि Sri Lanka में तो मज़ा नहीं आया and all that. I tell you why. Because so many places in Sri Lanka are similar to India, so the terrains are a little bit similar, so you have to pick your places. जैसे कि Sigiriya है, that is very similar to Hampi, okay, and then Kandy is very similar to like Kodaikanal or Nainital and all, and then Yala National Park again I think was very overrated because people go there to see like leopards and they don't really see it, and a lot of animals we find in India also, so these are some boring places. I thought personally. Sigiriya has some history to it, like Ravan Sita history, so you can visit that. Sri Lanka's most important thing is the south, like the beautiful beaches and the surfing and everything. So do that. Like if you can do surfing, do surfing. That's the most important thing. If you can't do surfing, enjoy the south, the crystal clear blue waters, especially in Unavituna and Hiriketiya. The waters are really beautiful. So spend more time in those places. And next is, a lot of people don't find party places. So I have compiled this whole list of what are the party places which was there a few months back when I went, and the latest update you can always get either from, you know, hostel people. Usually hostels always know when a party is going on, so that, or you can ask your hotel guys, but there is always a party happening every day, at least in the south in Sri Lanka, around Mirisa, Matra area. So yeah, make sure that you go party every day. What is the food that you can try in Sri Lanka? Now, Sri Lanka में honestly बहुत ज़्यादा variety तो नहीं है, and it's a little bit similar to South Indian food, but I'll tell you the things that you should try. So thali, they have a little different vegetables to try. Thali, kottu, Sri Lankan kottu is slightly different from the Kerala kottu we get, so try that. Next is seafood. Seafood like crab and all is like very, very popular and good over there, so try that. Then next is coconut roti, and then sambal, that's also chutney type of, try that. And the most common thing, hopper and string hopper, you have to try these two things. Hopper is like मतलब dosa को ऐसे bowl type shape में बना दिया, like dosa like this, and they put things inside it. Lastly, what is the budget to go to Sri Lanka? So overall budget जो है वो per person comes to 50,000 to 70,000 maximum, including flights, including visa, including food, everything, and all the details I will put over here for the budget. So it's quite cheap, quite affordable. So what are you even waiting for? Book your flight right now. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because travel information from all over Asia is coming to this channel. And watch this next video to see the offbeat places and offbeat itinerary of Sri Lanka.